Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. So let me tell you that if you want to log in your Cash App account, make sure that you are giving correct credentials like your passcode or your cash tag. Okay guys, so after giving it guys, what you need to do is just simply try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open any browser. So let me open the Safari browser, and here you have to search for the Cash App status. So just simply have to search for Cash App status. So let me search here. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on first one, status Cash App. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that if Cash App source is not on. So you can see here guys, Cash App working properly. If Cash App source is not on, still you are getting the error, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to make sure that you have not logged in your Cash App account in the other device. Just simply have to log out your Cash App account from the other device, then try to log in the account on the current device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to force restart your device, because maybe there is the glitch in your device, that's why it's not working. Just simply have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.